Hello students, in this video I will demonstrate how to execute the 7th graded experiment of your data structure lab. The question is like this: write a C program to create a file that contains at least 5 records which consists of book number, book name, author, publisher and price. Here I have to enter the details of 5 books in the same order exactly given in the question, and whatever the information we have entered through the keyboard must be stored in the file. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, so we can decide our own file name here. So as usual in the previous case, I will go for how to do this. Here is the source code. Source code is already shared with you in Canvas app and also provided in the WhatsApp. Here is the source code of the program, 7th graded exercise. I have declared a structure here. Since I have to insert as in a structure ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, there is variable book num to store number of the book, serial number or book number. Here is book name as a character string, book author as a character string, and book publisher again character string, and book price as a float value. And name of the file here is booksdb.txt. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ xyz.txt ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ what's the name of the file given to store the book details. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Here is in this folder, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೆಮೋನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. and here is my program. File pointer, and I'm creating an array of books based on the definition of struct book. ಇಲ್ಲಿ books ಅನ್ನೋದು structure array based on the definition of the struct book, and I'm opening the file booksdb.txt in write mode and assigning the file pointer in the pointer variable fptr, where fptr is of the type file. If fptr is equal to null, cannot open the file. So this is for error checking in our program. If there is no problem in creating the file, then go to the for loop. Here I am using a for loop with id. Enter details of book id, book i+1. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆದರೆ ಸಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ 0 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ i+1 ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಂಟರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ ಡಾಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಮ್. ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. If you want to use pointer variable, then also you can use it, but that in that case you have to use member of operator. And here is book number. Here is I value is 0, that is 0th element, 0th book details. Likewise book name, book author, book publisher and book price. All these values are entered through keyboard. ಸೊ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನೀಗ ಫೈಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ fprintf. and I'm specifying the where to send it, that is FPTR. FPTR is a file pointer that is associated with the file booksdb.txt. So that is linked in this statement. Now, after entering one book's detail, whatever the information entered through keyboard that is collected in these variables are passed to file, and the format string is given here like this. So after this, again for loop starts its next iteration, and this process continued until I becomes 5. So when the loop is completed its work, then the file will contain all the 5 book details. F close, close the file pointer and return 0. Observe that I have used fprintf, so I will not get what is the content of the file in the content of the file that is sent through keyboard. ನಮಗದು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ execution part, how it executes. See, here is in the folder there is only one file. I will compile the program now. Observe, in this folder I will get an object file. Okay, compilation is done successfully and I got the object file. I have to build a file, that means executable file is to be created that will be executed. Build it. Okay, prg07, you can see settings icon symbol is showing here, is which indicates in Linux it is an executable file. Now I will run it. Observe carefully, when I start executing this program, a file will be created and that file is here, is booksdb.txt. booksdb.txt ಅದು fopen ಇಂದಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು fopen ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. booksdb, if the specified file does not exist when you are opening a file in write mode, then it will create a new one. So ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. If I am running the same program again and again, then the previous content in the file will be overwritten. So now I will run the program. Observe that till here there is only 3 files. Now new file will be created with the name booksdb.txt. I will run it. So this is the terminal. Observe that booksdb.txt has been created. I will give one file name, serial number, details of book 1. I will just enter here is Python as the name of the book. Author here is Rajesh. Publisher name here is Tata McGraw-Hill. Book price here is 124.56. Now book 2, name of the serial number here is, just give some serial number. In library every book has its own serial number, likewise here is also serial number. Now book name Pearl, I am giving some name here is, author name here is Lawrence. BPB publication, I am giving very simple informations, 87 rupees. Now book 3, likewise you have to enter all 5 book details. I will entering now. Book 4, Sorry, I made a mistake here. I will run the program once again. I will delete this file. I am re-entering book number, name, COBOL, book price. Now serial number for the second book, book name Python, Lawrence is the author name, publisher BPB, book price, some value, serial number again, book name again, author name, fourth book number, serial number here is Fortran. Now last one, where it completes our program executed with code 0. So this is our terminal window display. So I'm just keeping it. Observe that. Okay, I'm getting the, so not yet closed. Terminal is not yet closed. Now open the file booksdb.txt in any editor. Okay, I got the answer. Observe here. First line contains the first book detail. Here is 78, COBOL, COD, Peterson's, and size book price here is 456. So here is one line information is information about one book. Likewise, there are 5 such lines. You can verify another one also, book 2, that is 234, Python, Lawrence, BPB 765. So 234, Python, Lawrence, BPB 765. Since 765 last book price value is float value, so I will get 0.00 as additional digits. So now I'll go for again the program. So in the program, one book information is entered through printf statement. Sorry, fprintf. So this is the output of the program. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಯು ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ file. So this program is very important fun for you. The reason is that this program demonstrates 3 points. One here is using structures. Next one is F open, opening array of structures, and getting the data from keyboard and transfer it to file by using fprintf. Okay, so the source code is already shared with you in Canvas app. So you go through those codes and modify the program, run the program, and check the output. Thank you.